Hey everyone, Digital David here. In the ever-evolving landscape of smart home appliances, ECOVACS has once again raised the bar with the introduction of their latest innovation, the DEEBOT X2 Omni. This cutting-edge robot vacuum transcends conventional cleaning methods, boasting a plethora of groundbreaking features that promise a new era in home hygiene. Huge shout out to ECOVACS for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested in the X2 Omni or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead and get right to it. At the heart of the DEEBOT X2 Omni lies its ability to provide unparalleled cleaning thanks to a myriad of groundbreaking features. One standout element is the 131-degree Fahrenheit auto hot water mop washing. Why choose 131 degrees? The choice of 131 hot water mopping comes down to being rooted in science. Higher temperatures increase molecular movement, making it easier to dissolve oil and dirt. Moreover, this temperature enhances the detergency of cleaning solutions, ensuring a superior clean. The DEEBOT X2 Omni's dedication to optimal cleaning temperatures ensures it's effectively tackling even the most stubborn stains, leaving your floors immaculate. Delving deeper into the mop functionality, the DEEBOT X2 Omni's 15mm auto mop lifting height sets it apart from competitors. This higher lift is specifically tailored for cleaning carpets, preventing any wetting or contamination. This innovative lift system takes care of it all. The DEEBOT X2 Omni doesn't just stop at mopping though. Its 8,000 PA hurricane level suction power combined with an upgraded airflow system ensures exceptional cleaning. Designed to handle large particles like dog food and rice grains, this device effortlessly pulls in dirt, leaving your floors spotless. The device's 200mm extra long roller brush covers a larger area in a single cleaning cycle, reducing cleaning time significantly. Incorporating artificial intelligence, the DEEBOT X2 Omni features the AVIV 3D 2.0 dynamic obstacle avoidance. This advanced technology enables the robot to learn and adapt to its environment, avoiding obstacles seamlessly. This technology empowers the robot to detect objects up to 10 meters away at a 210-degree angle, allowing for precise, personalized cleaning paths. In conclusion, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni is not merely a robot vacuum cleaner, it's a technological marvel meticulously engineered to redefine the standards of home cleaning. With its revolutionary features, unmatched cleaning power, and intelligent design, this device stands as a testament to ECOVACS' commitment to innovation. Upgrade your home cleaning experience today and embrace a new era of cleanliness with the DEEBOT X2 Omni. Your home deserves nothing but the best, and ECOVACS delivers it in style.